Nnamdi Kanu's legal team to seek bail on February 26. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, lovely people, lovers of freedom all over the world, beautiful people scattered all over. Wherever you are joining us from today, you are welcome to this wonderful YouTube platform that gives you only but quality news and information as it is hot. We do not compromise. All we do is to give all the updates, all the matter, all the broadcasts we relate to the Biafran struggle as it happen. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not yet subscribed, and make sure you continue to share this video to as many groups, to as many platforms as possible. As you do so, may God bless you and your family. Now, straight to the news before we go into our analysis, because we have a lot of things to discuss. Meanwhile, go to the comment section and join this wonderful discussion. The news raised in detail. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, is said to have his legal team move for his release on bail on February 26, pending the determination of his trial at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Kanu has been in detention since June 2021, following his extradition from Kenya. While the appeal court initially acquitted Kanu of all charges related to terrorism, the Supreme Court overturned the ruling in December 2023, leading to the resumption of his trial at the Abuja Federal High Court, as we all know. The legal team's argument for bail will focus on several factors, including Kanu's lack of privacy during visitation with his lawyer, which they claim infringes on his constitutional right to counsel. We continue with the news. They will also highlight his long period of pretrial detention, totaling over 4 years, and his life-threatening medical conditions such as a health ailment, hypertension, and potassium deficiency. Mr. Prince Emmanuel Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu's brother, has provided an affidavit in support of the bail motion, detailing Kanu's previous arrest, release on bail in 2017, and subsequent escape following a military assault on his home in 2017. The motion for bail is brought under various sections of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, and the legal team is seeking the court's approval for Kanu's release on liberal and non-excessive terms. And that is that on the issue of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, straight up to the analysis and the issue with the on ground concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial. One thing you should know and one thing you should understand, like I will always say, is that Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has no business being under the DSS custody till date. Now, look at how the Nigerian government has been handling the case of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You agree with me that the Nigerian government have actually run out of options. Currently, I can assure you that with all confidence, they have run out of options. And they have run out of option, simply because the person you are prosecuting, the person you abducted, has no business in the first place being under the DSS custody. But because of the insincerity that this government have, built every other sector, both the judiciary, because of the corruption. That is why people like Nnamdi Kanu is under the DSS dungeon till date. Well, thank God say they don't they see as it they be for their body. You cannot eat your cake and have it. You cannot continue to build a country with lawlessness. You cannot continue to build a country under anarchy and expect that country to be successful. It does not work. The country will continue to crumble because that is what they have actually built the country under. Country that is built out of corruption. The judiciary has disappointed the people because the judiciary used to be the last option for the common man. What I mean for the common man, those who do not really have hope, those who do not have much, they are being protected by the judiciary because, they believe that justice will always come. But in this case, the judiciary, they are the one denying them the justice by delaying it. That is the pattern that the Nigerian government have been using to hold Nnamdi Kanu. They have been delaying him his freedom. And that is denying him his freedom. That is why they keep on pending and keep on adjourning and keep on bringing up issues and upon issues, just to continue to keep and hold Nnamdi Kanu under the DSS custody. Should we talk about the British? Oh, the British, they are working hand in hand with the Nigerian government. That is why they are keeping quiet about Nnamdi Kanu's case. They thought that holding Nnamdi Kanu will end the agitation. They did not know that there was a backup plan. See, I want to make you understand something. When you see, a movement, should I call it a movement? When you see a movement, that is ordained by God, you see how things will just, come up and open up on its own. The Nigerian government held Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They abducted him, kidnapped him, and did all kind of atrocious things, to Nnamdi Kanu, thinking that, we holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is the end of the agitation. Neither did they know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, had someone who he has prepared. Because if you listen to the words of Nnamdi Kanu, go and check the last video that I posted on Let's Talk TV. The video of Nnamdi Kanu where he spoke. You see that this guy is speaking out prophecy, he's speaking out facts. That is why he is seen, as a prophet, not just as a freedom fighter. This man is seeing, this man they talk within they happen with fact. Now check everything that Nnamdi Kanu said with fact. All has come to actualization. We they see him as he play, we they see him. This will not be said and talk. These men in their wisdom have actually tapped into the future and they have foreseen a lot that will happen, and they are giving you accuracy in their words. And that is what this thing is, just a matter of intelligence. There is a level you will get to, you will tap into the future and see. When he was telling you guys about the Islamization, everybody felt What is he saying? What is he talking about? This guy does not know what he's saying. People doubted. Now look at what is happening in the country. We thank God. I will continue, to speak about them. Simon Ekpa, who is currently manning up, who is taking the mantle by himself to handle what Onyendo Nnamdi Kanu, left before he was adopted. Oh, if not for that young and powerful and vibrant man, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, the Biafran struggle would have just gone into should I use the word asylum? It could have been quiet, because we have seen that those who are criticizing Simon Ekpa wouldn't have done anything about it. They are criticizing Simon Ekpa because Simon Ekpa was able to expose all their atrocities and all their plan. You cannot continue to trample on innocent Biafrans and expect people not to speak up. They say, every day for the thief, one day for the owner. We Biafrans will continue to seek for the release of Onyendo Nnamdi Kanu by fire, by force, by brimstone, anyway, because he has not committed any crime known by law. On that note, we are optimistic that come February 26, the needful will be done, and Onyendo Nnamdi Kanu will get the freedom that he truly deserves. On that note, I say thank you once again for joining us, beautiful people, on this wonderful YouTube platform. Make sure you share this news. The media is the only weapon that we have to continue to speak the truth against the Nigerian terrorist government. On that note, I say kudos and have a wonderful day. Continue to enjoy this wonderful YouTube platform for more updated news and information as it is hot. And we also urge you to continue to support our YouTube channels in your own way. God bless you, my beautiful people.